You all agree with this? Are you guys serious?
I mean, that really does much make sense, unfortunately.
Then why didn't Sinister kill me if he knew this actually works?
Because he knows you wouldn't.
No, you can't just ask me to destroy my own universe.
I know. I'm sorry. But in that case, I'm not asking anymore.
Hey, Ethan. No. Ouch! What are you doing?
Stay back!
Ethan, please! What if this is what Sinister wants?
You have no idea! In the right moment, you will do the right thing.